If you are 65 or 70, is it too late to grow natural teeth again? If that question wakes you up at night, you are not alone. Many people over 60 feel the same mix of hope and worry when they think about missing teeth, dentures, or painful implants. There is new research in Japan, even work at Kyoto University Hospital, that is exploring ways to help the body restart tooth growth. This work is promising, but it is still early and being tested carefully. First, let's be gentle and clear about why growing teeth is harder as we get older. Our jawbone slowly shrinks after tooth loss. This is called bone loss, and it makes it harder to place new roots or rebuild a tooth's foundation. Gums also pull back over time. That exposes more of the root and makes the mouth less able to hold a new tooth. Aging slows healing. Wounds and surgery often take longer to mend when you are 60 or 70 than when you are 30. Many older adults have chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Those illnesses, or the medicines for them, can affect healing and bone health. That changes the way the mouth responds to new treatments. So what exactly is tooth regeneration? I'll explain it simply. Think about how children grow baby teeth and then adult teeth. In the womb and early life, the body builds a tiny tooth bud that becomes a tooth. Scientists are trying to either wake up leftover tooth buds or use special cells and medicines to make a new tooth grow. Some approaches use stem cells. These are basic cells that can become other types of cells. Other methods use drugs that change signals in the mouth so a new tooth forms. Right now, many of these ideas are still experimental. Scientists have had success in animals and are now testing safety in people. That means the idea is real, but it is not yet a common treatment you can walk into a clinic and get. Now the big question, does age stop tooth regrowth entirely? The short answer is not necessarily, but age makes it much harder. Older bodies have fewer active stem cells and less robust healing. That can lower the chance that a new tooth will form and fully integrate with the jaw. If you lost teeth many years ago and your bone has shrunk a lot, there may not be enough natural support for a newly formed tooth to anchor itself. On the other hand, not all seniors are the same. Some 70-year-olds are very healthy, with good bone and controlled chronic conditions. For them, the science might work better than for others. So age is a factor, but it is one part of a wider picture. How does this compare with dental implants, the option many people use today? Dental implants are tried and tested. They replace the root with a metal post and then a crown on top. For many seniors, implants give strong chewing and a natural look. Implants require surgery. That means a procedure, some pain, and a healing period. For people with good bone, implants often heal well. If bone is low, extra steps like bone grafts may be needed. Regenerative treatments, if they become available, could be less invasive in theory. Imagine a medicine that helps a natural tooth grow. But early-stage regenerative methods still need more testing to know how painful they are, how long healing takes, and how long the new tooth will last. Cost is also a factor. Right now, implants are an established price you can plan for. New regenerative treatments, if and when they arrive, may be expensive at first and not covered by insurance. Who might be a good candidate for tooth regrowth after 60? A healthy senior with well-controlled chronic illnesses. Someone with enough jawbone, or who is already open to minor bone grafts that can prepare the mouth. People who are motivated to follow post-treatment care, like good oral hygiene and regular checkups. Each person is unique. A careful dental and medical checkup would be needed to see if a person is a reasonable candidate. Who should be extra cautious? Anyone with severe bone loss in the jaw. If there is very little bone, it is much harder to grow a tooth that will hold up. People who have had head and neck radiation, recent cancer treatments, or ongoing immune-suppressing therapy need extra caution. These treatments change how the body heals. Uncontrolled diabetes or other conditions that make healing difficult should be managed before considering any major dental treatment. So what is the honest conclusion? In theory, yes, the body can be encouraged to form new teeth. Science has shown this in animals, and researchers have started careful human testing. But theory is not the same as ready for everyone treatment. Right now, tooth regrowth is experimental for most people. It may become a real option in the future, but we don't have a guarantee of success, especially for older adults with significant bone loss or other health issues. For many seniors today, dental implants or well-made dentures remain the practical and reliable path to restore chewing, speech, and a smile. If you are 60, 70, or older and worried, here's what I would gently advise. Talk with your dentist about your bone health and overall medical condition. Ask about bone scans or simple x-rays to understand the jaw support. If you are interested in future treatments, ask your dental team to keep you informed. Clinical trials sometimes seek volunteers. They have strict safety rules and are very careful with older participants. In the meantime, don't delay getting a solution that helps you eat, speak, and smile. Good nutrition and oral care matter every day. Before I finish, I want to speak directly to you. Losing teeth is hard. It can feel like losing a piece of yourself. But there is progress in science. And there are compassionate, practical options now. Hope is okay, but pair hope with clear steps, a checkup, honest conversation with your dentist, and sensible choices for your health today. Which age group are you in? 60, 65, 66, 75, or over 75? Would you consider waiting for possible natural regrowth? Or would you prefer implants or dentures now? Please tell me in the comments. And if you have an elderly parent who worries about their teeth, share this with them. If you want, type your age group and one concern about dental treatment, and I'll answer carefully and simply.